1960 Austin-Healey Sprite. Price, $8,900. Mileage, approximately 300 miles. Location, Christiansburg, Virginia. This charming 1960 Austin-Healey Sprite Bugeye is a classic British sports car with a unique family history and a restoration story spanning decades. Originally purchased as a restoration project in 1985, the car underwent a comprehensive engine rebuild before being passed down through the family. The current owner completed the remaining work and returned the Sprite to running and driving condition, even using it as a wedding getaway car in 2020. Since then, only a few hundred miles have been added, preserving the freshly rebuilt drivetrain. Finished in red with a black interior, this iconic roadster retains its highly sought-after original steel hood, a feature prized by Sprite enthusiasts. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 2017 Pro Series Corvette Pro Mod. Price, $28,900. Location, Tampa, Florida. This 2017 Pro Series Corvette Pro Mod is an extraordinary machine that blurs the line between professional drag racer and street-legal muscle car. Built from an authentic Pro Mod chassis and later customized for street use, this Corvette delivers the aggressive styling, engineering, and performance typically reserved for elite drag racing competition. Beneath its lightweight race-inspired body sits a massive 632 cubic inch Chevrolet Big Block V8, producing an impressive 815 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque in its naturally aspirated street configuration. Power is transferred through a J and W-built turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse pattern valve body, line lock, and trans brake, sending force to a bulletproof strange engineering 9-inch rear end with a 3.50:1 spool gear setup. 1974 Volkswagen Beetle. Price, $6,800 OBO. Mileage, 80,000 miles. Location, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1974 Volkswagen Beetle, affectionately known as the #Pink Beetle, is a charming classic that combines iconic Volkswagen heritage with a fun and eye-catching personality. Finished in bright pink with a black interior, this Beetle stands out from the crowd while retaining the timeless styling that has made the model one of the most recognizable automobiles ever produced. With only 2 owners and a clean title, it offers a solid foundation for anyone looking to enjoy a vintage air-cooled Volkswagen. Power comes from a strong-running 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering the simple, engaging driving experience that Beetle enthusiasts have loved for generations. Ford Indy Car recreation. Price, $39,000. Sale date, June 11, 2026. Location, United States. Inspired by the legendary Ford-powered Indianapolis 500 race cars of the late 1930s, this stunning Ford Indy Car recreation captures the spirit and appearance of America's golden age of motorsports. Built by Reckless Cars in Argentina, the car features beautifully hand-formed aluminum bodywork finished in an elegant blue paint scheme, closely replicating the streamlined race machines that once thundered around the famed Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Power comes from a traditional 221 cubic inch Ford flathead V8, one of the most iconic engines in American automotive history. Enhanced with Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads and dual carburetors, the engine delivers improved performance while preserving the authentic character and sound that made the flathead famous. A 4-speed manual transmission puts the driver fully in command, creating an engaging vintage racing experience. 1960 Austin-Healey Bugeye Sprite. Price: $15,000. Location: Arlington, Tennessee. This 1960 Austin-Healey Bugeye Sprite is a beautifully preserved and thoughtfully upgraded example of one of Britain's most beloved classic sports cars. Known worldwide for its distinctive Bugeye front-end styling and lightweight roadster design, this Sprite offers a rare combination of originality, performance enhancements, and documented restoration history. Previously restored by a well-known Austin-Healey specialist, the car comes with extensive service records that highlight the care and expertise invested in its upkeep over the years. Performance has been significantly improved with the installation of a 1,275 cubic centimeters engine, performance exhaust header, larger 1.5-inch twin SU carburetors, front disc brakes, an anti-roll bar, and Yokohama 185/60 tires. 2019 Vanderhall Venice GT. Price: $22,500. Mileage: 10,500 miles. Location: Ephrata, Pennsylvania. The 2019 Vanderhall Venice GT is a unique three-wheeled performance roadster that delivers the excitement of a motorcycle with the comfort and stability of a sports car. Finished in an eye-catching red exterior, this Venice GT stands out wherever it goes thanks to its open-air cockpit, aggressive styling, and exotic appearance. Built for driving enthusiasts, it offers an experience that few conventional vehicles can match. Power comes from a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine that has been upgraded with a performance race tune, providing impressive acceleration and strong throttle response. 1961 Volkswagen Trail Safari Dune Buggy. Price: $7,500. Location: Fairfield, New Jersey. This 1961 Volkswagen Trail Safari Dune Buggy is a classic fiberglass-bodied recreational machine built on the legendary Volkswagen platform. Combining lightweight construction, simple mechanics, and unmistakable beach cruiser style, this buggy captures the carefree spirit of the Dune Buggy movement that became popular throughout the 1960s and 1970s. Its compact dimensions and open-air design make it a fun and attention-grabbing vehicle for cruises, shows, and weekend adventures. Power comes from a dependable 1,600 cubic centimeters single-port Volkswagen air-cooled engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. 2016 Polaris Slingshot. Price: $11,000. Mileage: 6,750 miles. Location: College Park, Maryland. This 2016 Polaris Slingshot is an exciting three-wheeled roadster designed to deliver an open-air driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Finished in vibrant red, this head-turning machine combines sports car styling with motorcycle-inspired excitement, creating a unique blend of performance, agility, and fun. With only 6,750 miles, it has been well-maintained, garage-kept, and remains in excellent condition. Powered by a responsive engine paired with a manual transmission, this Slingshot gives drivers complete control through its engaging stick-shift setup. Custom street-legal VW Dune Buggy. Price: $6,900. Location: Mocksville, North Carolina. This one-of-a-kind custom Volkswagen Dune Buggy is a true piece of American hot rod history, hand-built by a Georgia dirt track racer during the 1960s and still wearing much of its original craftsmanship and vintage character. Built on a 1955 Volkswagen Beetle chassis and titled as a 1969 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, this rare machine features a hand-fabricated steel body rather than the more common fiberglass construction, making it a standout among classic VW-based customs. After spending years stored in a barn, the buggy was brought back to life and upgraded with a rebuilt 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen engine and a built 4-speed race transmission. 1969 Volkswagen Deserter GT Dune Buggy. Price: $16,500. Mileage: 40,005 miles. Location: Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1969 Volkswagen Deserter GT is a rare and historically significant dune buggy originally designed and built by Alex Dearborn of Auto Dynamics in Marblehead, Massachusetts, one of the pioneering names in early SCC-style race car development. Produced only between 1969 and 1972, the Deserter GT stands out as one of the more collectible and performance-focused VW-based buggies from its era. Power comes from a modified 2,683 cubic centimeters Chevrolet Corvair engine, an unusual and highly regarded swap in vintage dune buggy circles. The engine is equipped with a new 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, K&N velocity stack, mild performance cam, Taylor ignition wires, and an aluminum-finned oil pan for improved cooling and durability. This setup delivers strong, smooth power suitable for both spirited driving and relaxed cruising.